Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I'm putting in my boys' Easter baskets this year. And I'm actually using buckets that someone local made for my boys last year, which we'll probably just keep using these for the next few years. They're going to be 18 months, my twin boys, and I think that these are going to be really fun in the pool, in the sandbox, and generally just outdoors or whatever this year. And at the dollar store, I got some blue grass I put down in the bottom. And kind of have a little bit of a shark theme going on, accidentally. I actually got these cute swimming trunks at a garage sale last year. They will fit them perfectly this year. So those will go in there. These are my favorite. I like these ones. Little sharks. And each get a pair of flip-flops, sharks. Those. And they're each going to get a pair of sunglasses. I'm really excited about these. I found these at the dollar store. They light up on the inside. They're little bubble guns. So they each got a bubble gun and bubbles. These will require quite a bit of supervision since they're still little, but these will be a lot of fun. And then this might be just a little bit too mature for them still, but I put some Play-Doh in there. Maybe with some supervision we can try it out. If not, we'll put it aside and save it for later. But I thought that would be kind of fun to try. And I actually really hate Peeps, but I feel like it's kind of a rite of passage. Everyone's got to try Peeps one day in their life, so the boys got Peeps. Just stick those down in there. And we like to do a lot of outdoor stuff, especially when we go to Grammy and Papa's and go to the zoo. So I got some sunscreen spray and also this sunscreen face stick for the boys to share. And Jamison's will have a natural insect repellent. And I found these at the dollar store. A lot of these things I actually found at the dollar store, so I didn't spend very much. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make a really good size, fun Easter basket for your kids. They had these cute little triple packs of bubbles with dinos on the top. So I'm putting 3 each of their baskets here. They each got a new toothbrush. Spider-Man. Found those at the dollar store. Thought they were super cute. Thomas got a little ducky. And wind-up chick. And Jamison got a bunny. And a little wind-up bunny. And then I'm going to put 4 of these giant Easter eggs in each of their buckets that I got at the Dollar General store. What's going to go in those is my favorite, Reese's peanut butter eggs. Everyone's got to have those. Milk chocolate flavored bunnies from the dollar store. And some Annie's Friends Bunny Grams I got from the It's $5 store. And a few packages, Dino and Sharks fruit snacks. They love fruit snacks. And then I ordered these books from my friend. She sells Usborne books. And I really like this line. It's the That's Not My line. And it came in this adorable bag. Now these books are not going to fit into the buckets, but because they come in this bag, that's all right. I will post my friend's link in the description below if you'd like to check out the book she sells. This one is That's Not My Chick. It's like a touchy-feely book. So everything is sensory, something for them to feel on every page. And That's Not My Lamb. Another touchy-feely book. Yeah, I really like this line. I think they're really cute. Their books are amazing. So check it out below if you want to see what Usborne's all about. And I got these cute little beach towels at the dollar store. As you can see, we kind of got a little bit of a shark theme going on. And they're obviously not going to fit in the bucket, but that's okay. We'll put it next to it. That doesn't matter. You're getting all kinds of stuff this year. And little fishies. And a dinosaur on a surfboard, it looks like. Cute. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're putting in their baskets this year. I think the boys are going to really like it. It's mostly age appropriate. We'll see how the Play-Doh and the bubble guns go, but I think we'll have a lot of fun this year. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe below to follow us in our journey.